This is Yogesh Agarwal, and in this video I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough of our brand new software Vid Kreator Max. So let's start with the dashboard. So this is how the dashboard looks. Basically you can get a complete overview of entire Vid Kreator Max system. So the first section is the overview of how many videos you have created, pending videos and YouTube uploads. And this is the history of videos that has been created in Vid Kreator Max. And in this section you can get the complete details like when it was created, what is the project title, what is the size, and then you can get a link to download the video directly. And in this section you will see all the videos that has been uploaded into YouTube and their link, title and rest of its information. In this section you will see all the YouTube accounts that has been attached with Vid Kreator Max, and here you can see all the social accounts that has been attached. And now in this section you will see all the medias, that is for example all the images that has been created with Vid Kreator Max and all the custom images that has been uploaded. The same goes for videos and also the audios. So now let's move to the next section. So here site video, this is where you can create a video out of any website that you want. You have a lot of configurable options. For example, our system will take a complete screenshot of the website, it will break it and you can easily customize it. Okay, along with website screenshot, it will also download all the images from the website and also it will grab all the text from the website. And you can use all of them along with Pixabay images to create your video. And for audio, you will have two options. First option is to use the text from the website, and the second option is to record your own voice. So I will give you a short and quick walkthrough on that. So let me pull up a website, and this process takes couple of minutes because system has to go through a big process. Yeah, now it's done. So first step is to give you a title, and here you can preview the entire screenshot of the website, and here you can use our Pixabay integration system. And if you like, for example, if you want to add a image that is related to computer, you just need to type as computer and click on search. It will automatically connect to Pixabay system and it will grab all the images. And to use this image, you just need to click on the checkbox and click on save changes. That's it. So this is the first step. And in the second step, here you can select the images that you want in your video. That is, these are the images that are in the target website. And after that, you will see the website screenshots. You can select the images that you want, and along with that, you can easily rearrange them as you like it. You just need to click, drag and drop. It is that simple. So after that, you have option that is audio options. You can either use the text, you just need to copy the text and paste it here, or else you can record your own voice. Okay, and for the text you can convert it into any language that you want. So we have a lot of language selections here, and as well as the voices. So this is all about configuring your that is the images and text. Now let's move to the next step. So in this step you can configure an intro and outro of your video. You can select intro, like you can use a video, or else you can use images, or else Pixabay image for the intro, and the same thing goes for outro as well. And for the audio, you can record your own voice and that will be merged with your intro video. So basically you can do everything in this space related to intro and outro. That is on step 3. And in step 4, you can add a watermark to your video. Along with watermark, you can add a lower third and its text. So that is all about site video section. So once you click on submit, you will get the video in the gallery or else in the list. Okay, so now let's move to the rebrander section. This section will help you to rebrand a video. For example, you can upload a video from your system or else from Google Drive, and then you can add an intro, outro, add lower third, and all those options that you have seen just now. So I'll just put a title. I'll select a video. So I'll use this video and click on next step. Here you can configure intro, outro, the same option as we saw in site video. Once done, you can configure a watermark, lower third, and everything. This section is specifically for those people who already have a video and just want to do some minor modification on that. So this is all about rebrander. Now let's move to Max Creator. So in this section, our system will grab all the videos from the target website, and it will allow you to download that video and add an intro, outro, lower third, watermark, and text into that. The process is pretty simple and straightforward. So let me quickly show that to you. Click on submit. That is, enter URL, click on submit. Now it will
Hey everyone, Ali G here. Now
it will grab all the videos from that website. So far I have a lot of videos, so I just need to select the video that I want. So I'll be selecting this video and go to next step. Here I will configure my intro and outro. I can either use a video or else images or else a Pixabay image, and the same thing for outro as well. And in the next step, I'll be able to configure watermark, lower third, and text options. So this is basically for downloading a video from other website and rebranding them with just few clicks. So that's all about Max Creator. Now the image editor. It is a powerful image editor, and you can create an image from a URL or else you can start from scratch. So all you need to do is to click on image editor, click on create new, and set the resolution, click on create. So here, this is the space where you can create your image. For example, if you want to add a text, just click on the text that is style here and then select the color. So see, you can see the image is created with some text in it. If you want to edit the text, just click on this and add whatever you want. So this is about the image editor usage, and if you want to save this image, you just need to click on save, and it will automatically save the image into our image gallery. Okay, so this is all about the image editor, and let's move to gallery. Here you can upload your own videos, plus you can see all the videos that has been created by Site Video Creator, Rebrander, and Max Creator. So here you can also upload a video from your local system, and for that we have two options. First option is to upload from local disk, and the second option is to upload, that is import a video from your Google Drive. And to that, to import a video, you need to click on add from video. It will ask for authorization. Once done, it will show all the videos that are in your Google Drive, and with just one click you can import all of them. So this is about video gallery, image gallery, and audio gallery. And now if you want to find high converting offers and the offers that are really good, you don't need to go to different marketplaces. We have everything integrated into our system. For example, YouTube, for example, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank. So for example, to use ClickBank, all you need to do is to just click on ClickBank, type some keyword. I'll just type as website, click on go. Now it will find all the products that are related to this particular tag, and all you need to do is just to click on the affiliate page, or else, like, if you want to know more information about that, and to get the affiliate link, all you need to do is to click on promote. So it will open up the ClickBank dialog box where you can create your own hop link. So this is all about researching an affiliate product. Now let's move to settings. So in the setting, this is where you can add your YouTube channel and you can link all your social accounts into our system. So for YouTube accounts, all you need to do is to go to YouTube accounts, click on add channel, then it will ask for authorization. Once you authorize our app, it will import all the YouTube channels into our system, and then you can upload videos into those channels. The same thing goes for social accounts. So this is all about Vid Kreator Max.